Hello guys, this is my highly beloved Gilera Runner 125 with a two-stroke engine. I stored this outside, but you see the old cover is torn up, so yeah, I have bought a new one from AliExpress. Let's see if that one fits. It came in this nice nylon bag. Feels like high quality. Yeah. Inside it is with some silver lining. And here is the cover. And the cover also has this silver gold on the inside. Feels real nice. Let's see what is up and down. Oh, it also came with a crickless strap to mount under the bike. There you have it. Maybe a bit too large. But now there is no mirror, so if you have the mirror, yeah, looks almost perfect. I think it looks excellent. I will provide links for it down below so you can check it out. It's in, I think it's 5 or 6 different sizes. So it should fit one of your bikes as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.